Some YouTubers don't believe that it's possible to make money with affiliate marketing. That's not the case. You need to know the best affiliate programs for YouTube and promote targeted products related to your YouTube channel to succeed. I spend about 2 hours a week on this, and this is what I get. There are hundreds of different affiliate programs out there. So this video, I share 7 best affiliate programs for YouTubers. The first one is Points Prices. The link is in the description. What's different about this affiliate program is that they pay you for traffic. So no one needs to actually buy anything from you for you to get the money. If you direct your viewers with your referral link, Points Prices will pay you simply for directing them over there. They can pay 10 times the amount other affiliate programs can. As a plus, you'll also be able to offer free gift cards to your YouTube audience. ClickBank. One of the big advantages of ClickBank is that you don't need approval to join or run offers. You can promote physical and digital offers in a wide range of niches. You simply need to sign up, choose a product to promote, and get the affiliate link. I have created a tutorial on how to find profitable products to promote with ClickBank a few weeks ago. I will leave the link in the description if you haven't seen it already. The third best affiliate programs for YouTubers is Target. Target's affiliate programs is fairly new to the market and only features about 8% commission, which turns some people away. But considering Target's huge range of products and its popularity as a store, it's worthwhile signing up for their affiliate program, especially if you're planning to create any videos related to Target haul in the future. One of the main appeals of Target affiliate programs is that its ability to track your links. Target does a great job of keeping tabs on your links for a full week, meaning that you're much more likely to earn commission for your links. Max Bounty is the #1 affiliate network in the world according to surveys from MThink Blue Book. They have hundreds of cost per action offers that YouTubers can promote. Unlike the offers most other affiliate networks run, you don't need to get your visitors to make a purchase to get a commission. You can earn if they take actions such as creating free accounts, joining an email list, or requesting a quote. Since they are easier to convert, you can earn a more consistent stream of income with them. Similar to the video I created for ClickBank, I will create a future video for Max Bounty as well. If that's something you're interested in, click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the future video. JVZoo. If you love instant affiliate payout, JVZoo is the right place to promote affiliate products. They have some of the best affiliate money making programs. JVZoo offers instant affiliate commissions and you can find digital products or services for many categories. Most popular internet marketers have chosen JVZoo for selling their products, so you can find plenty of excellent products on JVZoo. The 6th affiliate programs for YouTubers is Commission Junction, also known as CJ. You can find high paying lead programs to pay per sale program. You can find plenty of web hosting affiliate programs on CJ which pay around $100 per sale or more. That said, CJ affiliate is not restricted to hosting. You can find affiliate programs for a wide range of categories. CJ Affiliate also offers direct deposit payment in many countries. And this list of affiliate programs for YouTubers will not be complete if I don't mention Amazon. Amazon is a staple affiliate program for any YouTuber and generally the first one every new YouTuber with any traction signs up for. It's super easy and free to join, and it requires little to no approval. You can then choose for yourself from the Amazon database what products to advertise to your audience and then earn up to 10% in advertising fees. A lot of YouTubers put Amazon affiliate links in their camera and setup equipment, as well as any makeup, clothes or gadget they might be using in the video, without ever having to mention the products themselves. There is also the YouTube Amazon affiliate program, which again I created a previous video on. The link is in the description if you haven't watched it yet. So these are the best affiliate programs for beginner YouTubers as well. When done correctly, YouTube affiliate marketing can be a great way to make a bit of extra money off your channel.